Minecraft isn't just blocks, it's a carefully orchestrated illusion. Let's pull back the curtain. At its core, Minecraft uses a giant grid system. Imagine a massive spreadsheet where each cell represents a cubic meter in the game. Each of these cells can hold different types of blocks, from stone to air. The game doesn't load the entire world at once, that would be impossible. Instead, it loads chunks. Think of them as 16 by 16 block squares that extend from the very bottom to the very top of the world. Only the chunks closest to you are actively rendered, and they are constantly loaded and unloaded as you move. Each block you see is essentially a set of instructions telling the game how to render it. Textures, models, and properties are all assigned in the game's files. When you break a block, you're essentially changing the data within that cell of the grid to air. Even complex redstone contraptions are just manipulating block states. A redstone signal changes the state of a block, and these state changes can trigger other blocks, creating complex chains of reactions. The game calculates these changes step by step using predefined rules. When you fight a zombie, the game is running constant calculations for hitboxes, damage values, and AI. It checks if the attack connects, calculates damage based on weapon and armor stats, and then adjusts the zombie's health accordingly. The zombie, in turn, uses its AI to decide how to react and pathfind towards you. So, next time you're exploring a lush Minecraft world, remember it's all based on a grid of data, clever loading, and calculated rules making the magic happen.